Here is a quick demo of my ArchivesSpace DSpace automation process where I have these JPEGs in this folder and they all need descriptions. And I'm going to give a command to Claude Code to start the automation process where it uses a local large language model that is on my laptop and running in LMStudio, where we can go and see the process running. And I am running this on an RTX 4080 with 32 gigs of RAM. And we can see some of the settings for the model. The context length is set to 8192 tokens. The temperature is set at 0.38, and the response length is limited to 1100 tokens. The name of the model we're using is GLM 4.6V Flash, and it is an open source model with vision, and it analyzes the images and creates titles, descriptions, and keywords, and then digital object records in ArchivesSpace and collections in DSpace are generated along with thumbnails. Both of those programs are running locally on my laptop as well. It took about 4 minutes to process these 5 images. And we can go into ArchivesSpace and find the digital object record where you can see the description that it created. So here is the image that it added to the record. And there's our description, and there are our keywords. And then you can go to DSpace, and you can find the collection that was created by Claude and the records with the abstract description and the keywords and the thumbnail of the image. And I'm constantly adjusting the model's parameters to see how they impact the speed and quality of the output. And my prompt wasn't too detailed, but you can control what fields you want and what kind of data you want filled in. And we can go back to Claude Code and see that it has explained the process that we just followed. If you are interested in duplicating this workflow or doing something similar, I think you could upload this video to Gemini, and it could create instructions to help you start planning on how to replicate or adapt it using Claude. Once you've had a Docker, LMStudio, and a model, ArchivesSpace, DSpace, and Claude Code installed, to run the actual automation command, you can just do it from a normal PowerShell command line. However, if you do run the automation command from Claude Code, it will start working on a solution if it runs into an error. And creating these records would run a lot faster if I had remembered to close a few browser windows or restart my laptop before doing this. I hope that this demo of this automation process has been useful.